Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com and HatTrick. Multi-box break number 33. Triple box cup. Big high-end break. Should be some awesome Hall of Fame hits in here. Thanks for selling it out, guys. I like to post some high-end stuff once in a while just to keep a mix. So every once in a while you'll see a break like this. Here's our winners. Good Thresh. Aaron got the Sabres for free in my auction break. Got J-Buck. Got Jack. Got JC. Got Socrates. Shane Dog won Florida in Todd's break. There's Rich with Minnesota. PJ's in there. Matt's in there. Mike's in there. Linda, Peanut. Aaron won the Leafs in Todd's break, and Aaron won the Jets in my break. And there's Dwayne with the Caps. And Pete with his Canucks. So all kinds of people. I'm going to start with 11, 12, and go 12, 13, and 13, 14 at the end. Which Taves? Any card that is Hall of Fame worthy, I submit to the Hall of Fame for voting. It takes a long time before they go through a round and add them all to the Hall of Fame, but if it was awesome, it would have got voted in. I don't remember what you're even talking about at this point, but anyway, let's do this. I should show you the serial, eh? 477. Eleven, 12 cup coming up. We got a Matty Duchene on the top. Here we go. All right, first hit goes to Jack in the Avs out of 249. It's a Matt Duchene. Going to Pete and his Canucks. You got a Jan Sauve rookie patch auto at 249. Oh boy, nice. Holy, that's going to be a big random. Boston is Thresh and Pittsburgh is Bummer Boy. Numbered 7/7, Ray Bork, Paul Coffey, double patch. How awesome is that? Here's a Hall of Fame hit for you. Sweet. Set. I'm just going to set it right in here to the end. All right, now we have a Pens hit going to Jack. That is Fleury, Malkin, and Stahl at a 25. Red Wings hit to Jack. Datsu gold base. And Eberle, Oilers, to Thresh at a 249. That's box one. I guess we know what the big hit in that box was. All right, box two. Serial. Where is it? 463. Oh yeah, I forgot we got an ultimate in these. 12, 13. They're real stubborn. Pick them off. So I cut them so I don't bend anything. All right. Ultimate coming up. There's a spacer. Going to Jack. It's a Melkin. Going to the Islanders and PJ. You got a Clark Gillies hard auto. That's it. Ooh, booklet. All right, going to the Rangers. And Matt, you have a Rick Nash base. Going to the Bruins. Rookie patch auto. Nice one. And Thresh 44. Michael Hutchinson. It's probably a high value card now. He's starts a lot of games. 200 to 249. And going into the Nashville Predators and PJ. Yeah, Chet Picard. Nice. Rookie gear, laundry tag, fight strap, patch, jersey. Look at that. With the auto on this side. At a 25. Ooh. And we have a Brilliance going to Colorado and Jack of Joe Sakic. Nice. I like the good old Joe Sakic. Real glossy. And going to Pete, you get a Sedin gold base at a 25. Current year, 147. Come on. Come on, something huge. First card is the Habs hit for Thresh. Get this stupid thing out of there. They make the little things there, but you can't fit your fingers in deep enough. It's kind of dumb, really. All right. First card is their Larry Robinson. Second card, nice. Going to Buffalo and a free team. Rookie patch auto, a nice one of Grigorenko. Nice looking patch. Oh, look at there. We have a Phil Kessel. Numbered at a 10, gold patch. Going to Aaron and the Leafs, which she won also. 7 to 10. Aaron didn't buy any slots in this, but she ended up winning 3. So that was pretty sweet. Phil Kessel. And we have a printing plate. Going to the Columbus Blue Jackets and Johnny Canuck. Autograph version 1/1 printing plate yellow. Boone Jenner. And another rookie patch auto going to the Dachshund Thresh at a 249. That's a Frederick Anderson. That's got to have some value in it too. He's played very well this year. And the last card going to the Ottawa Senators and M26. Craig Anderson at 25. Gold base. And for probably the hit of the break, or close to it anyway, Coffee Bork. I'm going to randomize this sucker right now via the dice. So how I'm going to do it is 1 to 15 will be Coffee and 16 to 30 will be Bork. One roll only. Here we go. It's 10. And Coffee. That goes to Jack. Congrats, man. Big hit. And before we're done, I have a HatTrick multi-prize draft slot to give away. So 25 slots to give away. I think this was be number 13. Every slot wins a prize. Basically, it's randomized. And then you begin a draft. There's jersey in there. There's some real nice cards, expensive cards, $800+ worth of prizes. Alrighty, so I'm just going to draw a chip out of this bucket, and whatever team it is gets the slot. Here we go. Flames. Don't think the Flames had any hits. That goes to Thresh. You bought lots of teams, so glad you got some nice hits. All right, that's a break, guys. Thank you very much, as always. Stay tuned for more multis and case breaks and all kinds of cool stuff here at 643. See you next time.